Hello, welcome to the Hustlepreneur channel. In this Grovefunnels review, you will find out how Grovefunnels can aid your internet business. Create professional-looking pages for your website or social media accounts with Groove Pages. In terms of selling things online, Groovesell is one of the most robust platforms available. Those who have previously signed up for your updates or purchased something from you can receive messages via Groovemail. Groovecard is only one of many options available to you. What is Grovefunnels? Grovefunnels is a platform that lets you design your own websites, e-commerce, sales funnels, etc. It is a one-stop solution for doing all these activities. It's a lot more than a page and funnel builder. Building websites, sales funnels, and the like have never been easier thanks to Grovefunnels' fantastic features like Groove Pages, Groovesell, and the affiliate program. A comprehensive Grovefunnels review is what we'll be conducting in this piece. Review of Grovefunnels, a quick snapshot. Creating sales funnels as soon as possible is a must-have skill for any startup, entrepreneur, or business owner. Grovefunnels includes Groove Pages, a landing page builder, Groovesell, an online shopping cart, Groovemail, and additional software for digitally marketing your items. Considering Grovefunnels is currently the greatest sales funnel builder, it's only natural that you'd want to learn more about it. It has a lifetime pricing option and lets you save more money on the offers. Who are the brains behind Grovefunnels? CEO of Grovefunnels, Mike Fils-Aimé. The CEO of Groove Digital is Mike Fils-Aimé. He's a well-known figure in the field of online marketing. It doesn't stop there. He's also a consultant, author, speech giver, and software developer/marketer. Internet marketing is his area of expertise, therefore you can trust him. More than anyone else, he's been involved with more multi-million-dollar launches. At one of the country's leading dealerships, he decided to follow his dream and develop software that makes it easier for people to manage their businesses online. Visionary in his thinking, he's worked with a team of outstanding programmers and designers to develop game-changing software for a wide range of internet businesses. His businesses have generated over $175 million in revenue for him. Many well-known platforms were created by him, including Webinar Jam, EverWebinar, Kartra, Deal Guardian, Butterfly Marketing, and Evergreen Business System. He is the brains behind all of these projects. Some of these brands have now been sold by Mike Fils-Aimé. Groove Digital is led by John Cornetta, Mattis Nas, and Matt Serralta, as well as the other three aforementioned individuals. What exactly is Groove Apps? What was formerly known as Groove Apps is now Grovefunnels. However, Mike and his colleagues have finally gotten their hands on a domain name. Where can you find out more about Groove Digital Inc.? All Groove products, brands, and tools are owned by Groove Digital Incorporated. It's a location where people work both in and out of the office. Companies like Grovefunnels, Groovecard, GrooveAds, GroovePay, and others fall under this firm's umbrella of services and brands. Is Grovefunnels a good fit for you? For small businesses, bloggers, content marketers, course makers, and anybody else with a product to offer, Grovefunnels delivers the best marketing tools and experiences. Is Grovefunnels right for you? You've made it as an internet marketer, congrats! You're the one who comes up with the ideas for the online material. Product or service offerings are yours for the taking or promotion. You'd like to run a subscription-based website. Building funnels and landing pages is what you're after. For example, Grovefunnels isn't right for you if you're comfortable with ClickFunnels and aren't interested in learning how to use Grovefunnels. A product or service isn't something you'd like to sell. A one-stop shop for all of your digital marketing needs isn't in your best interest, and you're not ready to learn how to use the tools. In Grovefunnels, what's included and what's not? You'll find everything you need to start and grow a successful online business with Grovefunnels' collection of sales funnel building tools. There are several Grovefunnels apps and utilities, including Groovesell, Groove Pages, Groove Affiliate, Groovemail, Groovedesk, Groovemember, Groove Video, Groove Calendar, Groove Quiz, Groove Blog, Groovecart, Webinars. Groove Survey. With Grovefunnels, you can be a rookie or an expert in your field. Having one's own website is beneficial for small business owners and affiliate marketers who want to build a strong following online. Grovefunnels testimonies are here for your perusal. Let's take a closer look at each one. The GrooveSell. Selling things online is easier with GrooveSell, a sales platform that works well for those that want to do so. It allows you to design the product, upsells, downsells, add checkout pages and set up affiliate programs, etc. without paying any costs. As a result, the affiliates will be able to search for your products and promote them in the marketplace. 2. GroovePages. When it comes to funnel and website creation, GroovePages is a must-have. JavaScript's most powerful framework, Vue.js, has been used. As a bonus, it allows you to publish your web pages in HTML, which reduces loading times and improves search engine optimization. It also focuses on Google's mobile-first indexing in order to achieve a high position. 3. Groove Affiliate. If you are an affiliate marketer who wants to advertise high-converting and high-quality items, Groove Affiliate is the place for you. All the information you need to keep track of anything from refunds to commissions to clicks and likes is available in this part of the GrooveSell app. It's easy to get around at this station because it's well kept and well organized. 4. GrooveMail. Like MailChimp, Infusionsoft, etc., GrooveMail is an autoresponder or CRM automation solution. However, GrooveMail is more powerful. Automated email broadcasts, follow-up emails, and more are all possible with it. This includes tagging and voice or text broadcasting. You may also use behavioral-based email marketing. In the same way that ActiveCampaign can be compared, so can this software. Up to 25,000 contacts can be sent for free with any Grovefunnels premium subscription. 5. GrooveMember. For members-only areas, you can use GrooveMember's powerful CMS/membership platform. Free and paid accounts are available, as well as a variety of tools that allow you to design beautiful themes, drip material, and more. Another benefit is that you don't have to purchase a membership site or a sales platform if you're using GrooveMember and Groove Affiliate together. If you offer your products for sale, the affiliates will take care of promoting them. 6. Groove Video. Upload, split test, control player controls, view analytics, add tags, and adjust thumbnails are all features of the Groove Video tool in Grovefunnels. Groove Video is an efficient program that seamlessly connects with other applications. Grateful for Grovefunnels. 7. GrooveBlog. WordPress-style blogs can be easily created with the GrooveBlog application. If you're looking to get some work done quickly and easily, this is an excellent alternative. We'll have to wait till the end of 2020 for this tool to be released. 8. GrooveDesk. A built-in help desk called GrooveDesk allows you to see and handle any tickets that emerge, and then you can either fix the ticket or ask someone on your team to do it. 9. GrooveCalendar. GrooveCalendar is a calendar creation tool that may be used to schedule meetings and events. So, for example, you might set up your own coaching sessions and yoga programs. GrooveMail allows you to set up an automatic emailing system and follow-up procedures whenever someone contacts you via the calendar. 10. GrooveSurvey. You can create and link surveys to your various sales funnels and websites with GrooveSurvey. We'll have to wait until 2021 to use this incredible gadget. 11. GrooveQuiz. The GrooveQuiz tool will allow you to design online quizzes for your landing pages, websites, and sales funnels, and will be available in 2021. 12. GrooveCart. As an alternative to Shopify, GrooveCart is the online cart or online selling software. It has all of the necessary products for online sales. This is a standalone tool, not a component of the Grovefunnels suite. A free lifetime subscription to Grovefunnels Platinum if you purchase the lifetime option in June. It currently costs $99 a month to subscribe. 13. GrooveWebinars. A combination of GrooveWebinars Automated and GrooveWebinars Live makes GrooveWebinars an intriguing tool. Except for the Platinum plan, Grovefunnels does not offer this feature. Grovefunnel products. Additionally, Grovefunnels offers a number of other services. In order to use these services, you must purchase them separately from the other tools mentioned above. GroovePay. You can protect your PayPal and Stripe accounts by using GroovePay to set up merchant processing accounts. GroovePay is a safe way to pay online. There are no upfront or ongoing fees associated with using this service. GrooveAds. It is Grovefunnels' advertising service, GrooveAds, which helps manage Google, Facebook, YouTube, and other ad campaigns. It's going to get a lot more complicated. What are Grovefunnels' features? Grovefunnels, like ClickFunnels and any other sales funnel software, will be the primary program. In general, Grovefunnels and GroovePages are used interchangeably, but Grovefunnels is the primary piece of software. As a general rule, Grovefunnels is what the software is known by. Create any form of page, landing page, or website with GroovePages. We can observe funnels and the like. Shopping carts, Groovesell, and Groove Affiliate will be the main focus of these services. GrooveMember, an email marketing platform that will be released later, will allow you to automate and broadcast emails. SMS testing, for example, may be possible, in my opinion. GrooveMember will be used for membership sites, and Groove Video will be used to create videos. There are also many other exciting features. Consider the possibility of generating leads. Who is Grovefunnels a good fit for? Boost your business with Grovefunnels, a one-stop shop for all your marketing needs. Various products and services are part of the system. Besides page builders, I'll go over a number of other topics in depth with you today. If you want to design various opt-in funnels for just about anything, the GroovePages app can help you do it. Like other companies like ClickFunnels, GroovePages are comparable, but in my opinion, they're worth the money because they allow you to import any sort of page, and the pages load quickly, which is a big selling point for me. Using Grovefunnels is the best option if you're creating content online and want to develop sales funnels and landing pages, or if you're selling items or services and want to advertise them. As a tool for creating membership sites, sales funnels, and landing pages, Grovefunnels is perfect for you. As a web marketer, this is the ideal venue for you to offer things online. There are several features included in this all-in-one platform. The Grovefunnels Lifetime Deal. If you're willing to pay $1,397 once, you can obtain Grovefunnels for the rest of your life and save a ton of money in the long term. Once you've paid, you don't have to pay again for anything. While this is still a great deal, they recently announced that prices would go up by roughly $500. If you want to take advantage of this price increase, you need to act quickly. As of right now, the program is totally functional even if it is in beta. There may be a few kinks, but if you already have a paid program and funnels in place, I'd sign up for the free plan, pay for the upgrade, and then wait for the bugs to be worked out across the board. I believe it will become the finest funnel builder and so much more because they have so much funding behind them as well as so many backers and individuals interested in seeing it succeed. They also offer a lifetime upgrade that costs nothing upfront and includes a 14-day free trial period during which you can decide whether or not you want to continue paying for it. Price of Grovefunnels. After reading this much about Grovefunnels, you must be eager to learn more about its pricing options. There are 3 ways to pay for Grovefunnels. It costs $99 a month to use Grovefunnels Silver. This plan lets you access the following, for example, GroovePages Pro, Groove Affiliate, Groovesell, Groove Video, GrooveMail, and GrooveMember are all included. You get access to the same apps as the Silver plan, plus GrooveBlog, Groove Calendar, and GrooveQuiz and Desk in the Grovefunnels Gold Bundle for $199 a month. For $299 a month, Grovefunnels Platinum is the best option. This plan gives you access to all of the platform's applications. GrooveWebinars Live, GrooveWebinars Automated, GroovePages for Shopify, and GrooveCard are all included in the Platinum package. In order to use GrooveCard, you must purchase the Grovefunnels Platinum Lifetime option. This is the free version of Grovefunnels. Groovesell, GroovePages, and Groove Affiliate Lite are all included in this free plan. As an affiliate, you may sign up to promote high-quality products and generate your own freebies. You can even create as many as 3 web pages using this tool. Pros and cons of Grovefunnels. Grovefunnels has both advantages and disadvantages. Pros. The software is well built. It's a one-stop shop for all your software needs. It gives you the ability to generate 3 times as many sales for free. It's a breeze to get about. An intuitive drag and drop website builder is included. An astonishing amount of help and support may be found here. Cons. Pre-launch features abound on the website. In the distant future, some of its features will be available. Affiliate program Grovefunnels. The Grovefunnels affiliate program pays a 20% first-tier commission and a 5% second-tier commission. Tier 1 affiliates who are referred will each receive a 20% commission. However, if the person you've referred goes on to suggest others, you'll earn an additional 5% commission on their referrals as well. Grovefunnels Review 2022, the final word. I had a great experience with Grovefunnels and would recommend it to anyone looking to sell their products online or to affiliate marketers looking to resell others. Affiliate marketing is a great option for newbies who want to make money online because it takes no commitment. It's a fantastic platform that has everything you could possibly want in terms of digital marketing and online business development. It's real, and it's well worth the money. Grovefunnels is the ideal solution if you're looking to scale your online business to new heights while having access to the best tools available. A profitable internet company may all be possible with Grovefunnels. Good funnels, websites, and email marketing features are all included. It also includes a superb affiliate management center and excellent integrations. An affiliate scheme that pays out large commissions and training tools are also available. Grovefunnels is a combination of ClickFunnels and Kartra. If you can manage everything from a single dashboard, just think of the possibilities for your internet business. GroovePages and GrooveSell provide free accounts if you're on a tight budget. Upgrade your Grovefunnels account whenever you're ready to begin using everything it has to offer with a single click. I hope you find our Grovefunnels review helpful. The best way to show your appreciation for this video is to like, share, and comment, and click the link in the description to get started with Grovefunnels.